Hey Bells, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Amaka of Belle Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this beautiful gorgeous look for you guys. So I received a bunch of pigments as well as some super fine glitters from Luzter Cosmetics. If you have been watching my channel for a minute now, you will know and you will have seen that I really love those pigments, and no jokes, they are amazing. Like, that is what I have on my eyelids right now, and you guys have seen me rave about them, and I was super excited when they reached out to me to send me a couple of their products. I have a separate video where I reviewed the pigments and everything, so I'll link that down below. You can check that out for a more detailed review. But in today's video, I'm going to be using the product on my eyes and showing you how amazing and how bellissimo they are. Alright, without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. Right, so I'm going to show you swatches of what they look like up close so you can see each of them individually. And without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. I am taking my Morphe M330 brush into the orange color in my 35B palette, and I'll just put that in my crease. So next up, I will take this purple burgundy color, just a little bit on my M441 brush, and I'm going to use this color to define my crease. Next up, I would go in with this very dark brown that I always use. Using the same brush, I'm going to further deepen the crease to give it more definition. Just taking a bit of my powder, and I'm just going to put that, to catch the fallout. I always forget this step. So I'm going to be cutting my crease using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm using the shade Dark 42, and I'm using my Colourpop E6 brush. So I am just going to dip into the brown and the purple shades, and I'm going to just pat that on my outer V. So for this eye look, I'm going to be using the Luzter Cosmetics pigment. This one is in the shade Aqua. And you guys already know the best way to apply these loose pigments is to use a fluffy blending brush like this. This is a dupe for the MAC 217, so if you have that or any tapered blending brush would do. All you need to do is tap and be great. This is the Coastal Scents BR250 brush, and I'm just going to, woo! Oh my god, I'm just going to tap that on my lid. Wow. Luzter Cosmetics does not disappoint. By now you should know now. Like, wow. If you have not bought one, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hey, I don't know if you're waiting for rapture. I don't know. I'm just going to take out the excess, the fallout and everything. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to take all the colors we used in the crease and we're going to run them across the lower lash line. So starting from the orange, then the burgundy, and then the dark brown. I'm using my Morphe E36 brush for that. For my wing liner, I'm using the Inglot Gel Liner. Mascara, I'm going to use my Benefit Day Real, and I'll be using that on my top and bottom lashes. Now to highlight my face, I'll be using the Shayla X Colourpop highlighter. This one is in the shade Pose. I'm just going to line my lips using this purple lip liner. This is the LA Girl lip liner in deepest purple, and I'll go over it with a deep wine red. My lip color, I'm using the Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Blossom. This is my all-time favorite red right now. Okay, bells, we are back, and this is the completed look. So guys, I totally and absolutely love how this look came out. It's so good and so bomb, if I may say so myself. Like, I mean, be the judge. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me till this time. You are the real MVP. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, join the Belle gang, okay? Hit that button and hit the notification bell so that you are notified once I have a new video up. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Kisses. Bye-bye. Mad. Their father. Their daddy. Now today's video is extra extra special because I received my very first PR product. Like, wow. I'm going to dip into this pigments. Wow. These things are dope. For this eye look, I'm going to use the Luzter Cosmetics pigments. This one is in the shade Aqua, and here's what it looks like. Oh, shit. All you need to do is tap. You guys know. So I've already done my entire face off camera. You guys know, to save time, you know, NEPA. And I've been raving about them on my channel for like how many months now. So the love is there.